When y'all watch this, man, just know ain't nobody litter than us, nigga.
Turn up again. It's a pandemic. Like, it's a whole pandemic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a little crazy right now. But we're moving. Basically, we're setting up. Hey, Didi. Y'all, Didi be sad, but the backdrop came. It's gonna be lit, y'all. The pics will be lit. I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on in a second. Just picked up t-shirts. Oh, you good? Oh, you.
Where you want to move it?
I think right here.
It's not like you hang from here to here. It drags.
It's long?
It's not long enough.
Oh, let's see.
Let me see. Fred, come here right quick.
Yeah, so a little bit chaotic as usual, but basically my family is throwing me a going away party, and because by now you guys know that I am moving to London to study, so we're having a little going away get together today, 2000s theme. That's why I'm looking crazy right now. I'm in the process. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm sorry, hold on. I'm in the process of doing my hair. Just came up here to get my Polaroid camera and something else. I had some more film, but I don't know where I put it. It might be in my purse, or it might be in this purse. Y'all, my stuff is everywhere. Like, when I say everywhere, like, I mean everywhere. But I'm gonna get it together soon. I wanted to show y'all what I'm wearing. I hope I don't have to rush, but I feel like I might have to because y'all just know. Y'all know how it gets. Go ahead. Look at Christian and Fred, y'all. Let me turn the light on.
Take a picture.
Don't take a picture, y'all.
Look at these niggas.
Let me put the flash on.
They look crazy. They think they look so cool.
Yes, sir.
Go
Bring it. What? On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. Ooh, that's it. Now, honey, come ride. GKNY, all up in my eye. You got a Prada bag with a lot of stuff in it. Give it to your friend, let's spin.
Oh, look everybody. So, this is what's getting right now. No? I wanted to find my other shades because they actually match. But I wasn't gonna stress it because I can't find them. So, yeah, I'm not gonna stress it.
I put it down like my hands hurt. I'm on a natural high, but I'm laying perfect.
Take you there, take you voice is just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having the best on.
I am personally celebrating her engagement. I'm proud of her for being brave enough to do that. That's bravery. And I just want to tell you to always keep that same fearlessness in your life, because it'll take you very far. You have exceeded a bunch of milestones that I know you had. You went straight to the top, but I want to celebrate you tonight. I want you to have fun. You're going a long way. A lot of these people you won't see again for a while. And these are our family and our friends, and thank y'all for coming here tonight to wish Deja well as she starts a new journey in London, England.
Amen. Amen.
That's all, man. That's like my best friend, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be crazy being without her, you know what I'm saying? But I just, you know, you gotta be proud of her because she just going to do better things and building the legacy and building the name. And so I'm real proud of you, bro. And you remember all them talks, bro. You know, being like when we was living together, you know, the talks late at night, just you motivated me, you know what I'm saying? You was getting it done, you was graduating, and you know what I'm saying? That's all that just motivated me, bro. Just following your footsteps, like you my biggest inspiration, bro. Keep going, bro. We in Christian, gonna follow suit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Always, you know.
I want to say that traveling the world is a big deal. Only thing that is promised to us is this life. So make the best of it. Do anything and everything you want to do, whatever your heart desires, and don't give up.
Always.
Appreciate everybody who came, you know, like it's crazy because so many people in my family, like they never did half of the stuff that I've been doing, like, and these people in this house, these people out here, they show up every single time, man. Like any party, I literally just had a party not even a year ago. Niggas was turned up again. It's a pandemic, like it's a whole pandemic, and niggas is gonna come celebrate me anytime and support me. So I really appreciate y'all.
Shout out to Deja Michaela. You feel me? I'm on the vlog finally. I need to get on another episode though. I'm about to get lit though.
You in there, nigga?
But I want to do a shot challenge like you and.
Oh, period. Okay, I got a shot right here. All right. Yeah.
No like for me, Charlie. No like for me.
Me and my fam, man, we out here. When y'all watch this, man, just know ain't nobody litter than us, nigga. I'll pop out like this. Tan, we had this party lit. I had so much fun with Tan, bro. If you watching this vlog, you gonna see me having so much fun with Tan, man. Let's get it. I'm outside, man. Yes, Sirski. On the big vlog. Man, we outside, man. Deja vlog with it, man. Big Carl on the vlog, man. That's my good brother right here, man. Good brother. Good brother right here, man.
So basically, we just left the party. We finna go down to Edgewood, catch a vibe. It's currently 12:40 with IH Kobe, and we lit. So we leaving Infinite Feathers. Go around the truck. We can't get snatched. Damn, all up in my... Why you need to know all up in my pussy, boy?
Hey, yo, where y'all going? Where y'all going?
Why you need to know all up in my pussy, boy?
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no.
I'm dead. This is going on YouTube. Why you just throwing it back? Yo, this past ain't on my YouTube. We at brunch. Milk and honey.
Well, we got empty glasses. We waiting on
I'm taking my time.
We waiting on slow. We waiting on slow.
I had a long night.
I had a long night, bro.
I went to bed.
Fred made it to the club with me, y'all. That was crazy.
Out there.
Yeah, so I'm at brunch with my dad. This is my dad, Fred and Fred. They look just alike. So yeah, we at Milk and Honey. About to get some brunch.
She look like us too.
Not that much though. They look like twins. So we just came to Candytopia. Is it good?
I'm ready to eat mine already.
I'm about to eat it now. Oh, we gotta wait?
No, but I already. Oh, let's take a picture right here.
Okay. We got a Candytopia candy.
Let's get them.
I'm gonna try it. She's eating hers. I can't get it open. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Looks like this. You have a Snapchat? That's so I can use the filter. Now my mom on Snapchat. Oh yeah. This is good, but it tastes weird.
It tastes great. Like salt water taffy, so it's supposed to taste like a little salty.
That's what it tastes, a little salty. I don't know, I don't know. but I look crazy. I'm gonna make a scrapbook. I got hella Polaroids.
The eye bags.
Girl, ain't no eye bags. Shout out to LA Pro girl. Period. Period. I just came to say, like, this has been the most amazing weekend. Like, I just been feeling the love and enjoying my loved ones. Oops. As you can see, we've been having a good time. So that's what I came here to say. I'm currently at Atlantic Station with my mama. Y'all, my brother's supposed to be at a birthday party. Now, they're not even in the birthday party no more. Like, they going to the highway.
He dropped the arm. He just dropped the arm.
He finna get it so good.
He ran away from
Oh, he seen us? Oh, we got clocked.
Why aren't they in
Look,
the
he
bowling alley? Because I talked